Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add a number from a different country on WhatsApp. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page where all of your available chats will be present. In order to add a new number, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and all of your contacts will be displayed. Here, tap on the new contact button and a menu will slide up on your screen. Now, you will be prompted to enter the complete name of that person along with their number. In the contact number field, you can see that there is a country selection menu present. This was added in the recent updates, so if you are not seeing it, you just need to update your app. Now, tap on the country tab and select your preferred country. If this update is not available in your region, you can just open any browser, search for country codes and copy the target country code from here. That's how you can add a number from a different country on WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.